Rob's got a wild on the Chehalis on a beautiful day we've been having. I'm gonna have to help him land this eventually. Look at this thing. It's a beautiful fish. Oh, you're under a branch. No, you gotta horse him out of there. On the digital cam. You recovered him, beautiful. You saw an adipose fin for sure, eh?
Yeah, it's definitely.
Oh. First one on the Chehalis in ages. Oh, it's a good sized fish. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now and give you a hand here. Does it feel like he's pretty close? Maybe not, eh?
You know, it's funny. As soon as I walked in, I just thought, that is so
Yeah, I was looking at it from where I was.